Some Muslim writers assert the need for a female interpretation or interpretation of the Qur'an. I don't really believe that men and women have a privileged insight into their own conditions to the extent that they can engage in a separate tafsir. I think though it is certainly the case that the Qur'an needs to be read and reread rather than reinterpreted, using a more profound understanding of the fact that 50% of the human race is women, and that may not always be clear from the traditional tafsirs. Women's issues are legitimate issues, and they, I think, do need to be more prominently addressed in the tafsirs than has classically been the case. But a female interpretation of the Qur'an I don't think is is necessary. But maybe some woman will produce one, and I will eat my words.